Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Salagadoola, metchagaboola, bibbidi-bop.
Boo.
This is a 20. Put a 30 now.
I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me, Papa. Papa, I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hey, Domina, you're adopted.
You guys, I've heard the sex noises, I've seen the drama and the tears, and there's no way.
One day, you're gonna look around and you're gonna realize that everybody loves you, but nobody likes you. And that is...
Oi, oi.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
White Jade, white Porsche, white wrist.
So my dog is a very strange combination of two very different breeds of dogs. And we get a lot of looks when we take her for walks, and people ask a lot of questions because she's really cute, but she doesn't really make sense.
You know, instead of waiting for a good day to happen, waiting around through ups and downs, I just said, no.